I recently launched a new feature on the ADB website. It's called the Shizuku Manager, and it's able to install the Shizuku app for you and then get that service running for you in the background. I highly recommend you check it out at 80bee.com, as I would love to hear what you think about it down in the comments section below. But the Shizuku service isn't something that stays active all the time, so it could have been terminated due to you rebooting the phone recently, or even from the firmware itself just killing the service in the background. Either way, it's not hard to get the service up and running again, even if you don't have a PC lying around. Let me show you how that's done. If you have a computer on hand, then you definitely have the ability to use the ADB website again to get the service running for you in the background. But not everyone will have access to that, especially if you're away from your home. So in those instances, you can restart the Shizuku service by first diving into the Developer Options menu. And as we scroll through this page, keep your eyes open for a feature labeled Wireless Debugging. Turn this feature on if you see that it's off, and then we're going to go back to the Shizuku app. We're going to tap into the pairing menu, and then we tap on the Developer Options button from here. Tap into here, and then tap into the Pair with Device option. And you should see a notification appear from the Shizuku app. This is where you will enter in the pairing code so that the service can run in the background. And with all of that done, you simply need to go back to the Shizuku app and start the service manually if you need to. You can see the process itself isn't really difficult. It's just that there are some very specific steps that you need to take. So let me know if this video was able to help you, or if you ended up getting stuck along the way. Because Android OEMs do not make guides like this easy, since they end up changing the names and menus of so many options. But I hope I was able to at least show you all of the important parts here today.